new video and it's been a while since the day I did a video like this na nakaupo lang kumakain sa harap nyo. So, I'm so excited for today because it's my favorite, guys! I'm gonna show you my top Korean chicken here in Pampanga. Kaya tayo may beer dito because Korean chicken is best with beer. Kaya tinatawagan nilang chimek ang chicken because chicken and mek which is beer. So, yun. Masarap daw siya with beer. So, let's try it out. Naghahanap ako ng cask na beer dito sa Pilipinas pero ang hirap maghanap. Kung meron man may alam kung saan ako makakahanap ng cask, comment down below. But here's Heineken. We have Heineken for today. Hindi ko siya napalamig, so I'm just putting it over ice. Ha! Ang sarap ng amoy. Kahit yung mga friends ko, alam ko, ito din yung OG Korean chicken nila dito sa Pampanga. So, pakita ko sa inyo lahat. We have 3 over here, and let's start with the first one na nagbukas dito sa Pampanga. I don't know if it's the first. Is it the first? Pero it's the first one I was exposed to. This is from Kokoburi, as you can see. Kokoburi is in Clark, Pampanga, and naaalala ko kasi dati nung bata kami and hindi pa ako mahilig sa Korean resto. Kokoburi talaga pinupuntahan na namin kasi super sarap ng chicken nila. Matamis-tamis, which is perfect for kids like me during that time. Super bata ko pa. So, Kokoburi has a special place in my heart kasi ang tagal na nito and super love namin yung soy chicken nila, which is this one. Try natin kung katulad pa rin ng dati. Super tagal ko na since the last time I went to Kokoburi. Siguro basta super tagal na ng memory ko sa last visit ko sa Kokoburi. So, I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god! Ang sarap pa rin talaga! Try natin with the beer. Oh my gosh! Sarap. Saka ito na ako kagad. Ito yung isang serving sa Kokoburi. It's ganyan pag take out. Ayan, makita nyo lahat ng parts. I think tagto 2 pieces siya per part. Super sarap niya. Ito, super sweet. Walang kaanghang-anghang. Medyo parang in between siya ng Korean and Filipino taste. Kasi yun, parang inano na nila. Finix na nila for our taste. And we have another dish from Kokoburi. In-order ko to kasi ito yung dish na kinakain ko kahit gulay siya nung bata pa ako. Kasi sino bang may ayaw ng kangkong? Super sarap nito, guys. Kangkong. Nag-iba yung lasa. Ang anghang niya ngayon. I can't remember eating this nung bata pa ako. So, let's put this behind. Etong soy fried chicken ng Kokoburi, one order is 450 pesos. Medyo affordable siya compared dun sa mga papakita ko sa inyo. And yung kangkong nila, it's like 230 pesos. Medyo konti lang siya, guys. So, if I would order again from Kokoburi, yung soy chicken nila, it's still the best. Lalo na kung may bata kayo sa bahay. Soy chicken of Kokoburi. Grabe talaga. And next one is this one, guys. Napakita ko na to sa ibang vlogs ko. And if you're looking through my Instagram stories, lagi ko tong kinakain. Lagi namin siyang kinakain dito sa bahay. Kasi super sarap. There, it's from Norang Chicken. Hindi ko talaga alam yung Norang Chicken before, pero nung nagka-Let's Be app na, ayun, Norang Chicken talaga every time na kasi iba siya. Honestly, hindi siya yung top 1 sa list ko. Makikita nyo din yun mamaya, pero it's one of the best. Nalagi ko pa rin siyang order kasi super sarap eh. And meron silang set na pwede kayong 3 flavors agad, which is this one. I think it's soy, sweet and spicy, tsaka yung fried chicken lang. And yun, makukuha nyo na yung best flavors nila in one order na super dami, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo to ha. I'll show you the box. Ayan, super puno niya. And meron pang extra na super dami din ng laman. Pero this one is fried chicken lang. Yung fried chicken nila may dip na super sarap. It's like a sweet and spicy dip na ang sarap, guys. Super, super duper masarap. And we have here their tteokbokki. It's my first time to order tteokbokki from Norang. Medyo naging malakas yung loob ko mag-order ngayon sa Norang kasi nakailang order na kami sa kanila and yung taste ng chicken nila, it's the best. Every time, it's the best. Hindi nag-iiba yung taste and masarap talaga siya. So, let's look at this tteokbokki. Try muna natin yung tteokbokki. Ilang araw na ako nag-crave ng tteokbokki.
Did you know me and Papa?
Wow! Ang sarap ng tteokbokki! Oh my God! First time ko mag-tteokbokki sa Norang. Gusto ko talaga tuloy i-try yung iba pang dishes sa Norang. Ang sarap! Pero if you're the person who loves tteokbokki na spicy, ganun, and strong yung taste ng chili powder, this is not a tteokbokki for you. Kanina pa pala natatakban. Pero masarap siya. Super. Lasang-lasa yung cheese. Next one natin, itong chicken ng Norang. Yung isang lagi kong kinakainan na Korean chicken place sa Myeongdong. Super ganito yung lasa. Ito, let's try the, Sol. How I wish na meron akong ASMR mic para naririnig nyo. Ang crunchy pa rin niya kahit na medyo na close sila and yun. Try natin tong sweet and spicy. Ang sarap. Iba-iba yung lasa. Super iba-iba. Yung soy, super the sweet side. Itong sweet and spicy, tama lang yung pagka-spicy and tama lang yung pagka-sweet. So, super nice. And itong fried chicken nila. What we love about this one, my parents love putting this salt and pepper yata to. Nilalagay siya sa loob. Pero ako, I don't like putting it because I wanted to be plain fried chicken lang. And dinidip dito sa sauce. Super sarap nitong sauce nila. I don't know what sauce is this. Basta it's super sweet. Medyo may pagka-spicy lang. And super match niya with the fried chicken. Oh my gosh. Naririnig niya ba? Sana naririnig niyo yung pagka-crunchy niya. The best. Norang talaga the best. Lagay pa tayo. Ang sarap. Grabe. Oh, wait lang. Mag-radish muna tayo. Super sarap ng radish, guys. Hindi talaga ako kumakain ng ganito dati. Pero ever since nung nag-quarantine na, at balik kami nag-chicken, grabe talaga. Lagi ito yung hinahanap ko pag nagko-Korean grocery kami. Last one in our list, guys, is alam to ng lahat ng taga-Pampanga. Dahil it's my number one and everyone's number one here in Pampanga pag sinabing Korean fried chicken. It's Boom Chicken. Meron tayong 3 flavors from them. Hirap naman, bubuksan natin lahat. This one is the sweet flavor. Pero itong sweet flavor, yung in-order ko from them, it's breast lang and tteokbokki. So you can order a mix of breast chicken and tteokbokki from them na may flavor pero parang sweet and spicy lang yung choices. And tingnan nyo, punong-puno tong box na to, as in, super squish yung laman. And this is sold for 500 pesos. Pag breast and tteokbokki. Let's try it out na. Sweet, ito yung sweet flavor nila. Super excited na akong try. Yung sweet flavor ng Boom Chicken, parang halo siya ng, parang may spice siya, parang may konting cinnamon and may konting pagka-peanut yung flavor. Super sarap. Sweet talaga siya. Ito talaga yung super close to Korean fried chickens. Yung hindi, parang hindi parang hindi ba yung flavor for Filipino audience, Filipino consumers. So, yun. Super sarap. Let's try the other flavors. Ito yung garlic flavor nila. Itong order na to, as you can see, yan, tagi-isa lang yata siya per part ng chicken kasi half order lang to from Boom Chicken. Try natin yung smallest part. Ito. It's the neck. Ito yung favorite flavor ko sa Boom Chicken. It's the garlic. Wow. Sarap. Yung pagka-garlic niya and parang soy is very, very balanced and hindi siya spicy. So, kung meron kids sa house nyo, magandang i-order yung garlic. Itong sweet kasi ng Boom Chicken, sweet nga siya and siguro pwede sa kids. Pero may ibang kids na ayaw yung pagka meron siyang spice hindi siya hindi siya spice. Parang may ibang lasa eh. Parang may halo ng... Ewan ko, ano yung halo na yun. Basta may ibang kids na ayaw yun. At dito, sure na sure ka na gusto ng kids tong garlic flavor ng boom chicken. Super sarap. This order, itong half order is 300 pesos. And if full order, it's 600 pesos. Pero ginawa ko is half-half. Half ng garlic and half nung... Ano to? Ito yung soy. Oh my gosh, oo. Ang dami palang choices sa boom chicken na pwede sa kids. Pwede silang mag-garlic, soy, and sweet. Pero I would recommend garlic or soy than the sweet. Kasi yung sweet parang more into Korean taste na talaga siya. Yung garlic tsaka soy parang okay siya for kids na Pilipino. Sarap. Grabe. So guys, before ending this video, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo how much are all this, yung order per chicken and everything, and kung ano yung mga kasama sa kanila, which is sa boom chicken, ito, meron siyang kasamang radish and pickled, I don't know what is this, kangkong ba to? Basta pickled something. Usually, pag nag-order kami, yung radish lang nagagalaw, ito, hindi. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try it later. There, yung half order nila is 300 and makikita nyo, ano lang, one each part lang yung 300, yung half order nila. So, pag whole order, makakakuha kayo ng 2 per part ng chicken. So, ako, I prefer ordering half-half para magkaibang flavor, lalo na madaming flavors sila. Meron silang sweet, sweet and spicy, soy, garlic, and yun lang yata. 5 flavors. But for here na may kasamang tteokbokki and chicken breast lang, meron lang silang sweet and spicy and it's available for 500 pesos. The thing about boom chicken, masarap siya, pero hindi masyadong crunchy. I think it's because of the delivery and right now they're just delivery and takeout. So, medyo downside yung hindi siya super crunchy as norang chicken. Kasi norang chicken, guys, kahit matagal na yan, kahit may times na hindi namin mauubos, tapos kakainin na lang in the morning, malutong pa rin siya. Super. So, yun, norang chicken, sa crunchiness, nananalo sila sa boom chicken. So, nasa second siya ng list natin, pero super tight ng competition ni boom chicken and norang chicken. Super hindi ko makakompare yung flavor nila kasi magkaiba, guys. So, I recommend, guys, that you try both and tingnan nyo kung anong mas taste nyo. Kasi may iba akong friends na nag-try na nito and mas gusto nila yung norang or mas gusto nila yung boom. So, yun. It depends on your taste buds din. Pero I would say that both are worth trying and ordering over and over again. Like us, ano din kami, minsan norang, minsan boom chicken. It depends din. Pero we like both of this. Nag-try kami ng iba dati pero we're not really happy with the other Korean chicken around. So, mas gusto namin tong boom chicken and norang chicken. Super iba yung flavors nila with this one. Kahit na soy din to and sweet and spicy din to. Super iba talaga. And yung fried chicken niya, the best talaga yung sauce. So, pag nag-order kayo ng fried chicken nila, hanapin mo tong sauce na to and i-try nyo. Pero kung ayaw nyo yung super Korean taste, ma-Korean talaga yung ano nito, yung taste ng sauce niya. So, kung ayaw nyo, just put it out kasi masarap din naman yung fried chicken lang, yung plain na fried chicken. So, super worth trying itong dalawa na to. And itong last one, although nasa third siya ng list natin, hindi dahil ayoko siya. It's just that ito yung super iniba na yung taste. Hindi siya super Korean and hindi siya super Filipino. It was made, yung recipe nito parang it was made for Filipinos who want to try Korean food na hindi naman sila super ma-explore. So, yun. Ito kasi parang na-alter na sa taste ng Filipino. And ito, super Korean chicken. Ito, super Korean chicken na na-alter for Filipino taste buds. So, mas sweet siya. Kaya super perfect for the kids. And this is the most affordable, I think. Kasi ito, 450. Ito, 600 yung order. Yung sa norang chicken, nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo yung price ng norang chicken. Norang chicken is 700 pesos for the 3 flavors. So, yun. These are the top 3 Korean chicken places here in Pampanga that you could try and that are my favorite. So, guys, super duper masarap talaga to. Lagi pinapatikim ko pa sa friends ko for validation and so far itong norang and boom chicken, validated by my friends then. And etong kokoburi, hindi ko pa sila nadadala doon. So, sana next time, pag wala ng COVID, madala ko yung friends ko doon. And guys, I have to mention itong tteokbokki ng Norang Chicken. The best. Talaga. It's worth trying. Pero siguro the best pa rin yung sa GN Bakery in Friendship, Angeles City. But this one is also good. Super. So guys, to wrap this off finally, hindi ko na papatagalin to. I would just have to thank Let's Be. Let's Be yung nag-deliver ng Norang Chicken and ng kokoburi. What I like about them, pag ina-order yung Norang Chicken, nakailang Norang Chicken na kami. And pag dumating dito sa bahay itong Norang Chicken, lagi ang init pa niya and super crunchy dahil fresh talaga. Super init niya. And for the boom chicken, I ordered it through Kakao Talk. They have Kakao number in their Facebook. Ililink ko na lang yung Facebook account nila down below. So, yun guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If meron mga tao dyan na nanood na na-try na nila lahat to and gusto pa mag-try ng ibang Korean chicken, siguro, re-recommend ko yung Kokyo Grills and it's real porridge. Nasa Let's Be app din to, so if you wanna try it out, try it out. Pero, they're so lang. Baka lang magustuhan nyo kung na-try nyo na yung mga to. Pero, para sa akin kasi, ito pa rin yung the best. Boom chicken, Norang chicken, and kokoburi. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope someday you can try this if you're not from Pampanga. But if you're from Pampanga, guys, try nyo na kung hindi nyo pa natatry. Kasi, the best talaga. So, thank you nyo ako kung hindi nyo pa ito natitikman and tinikman nyo dahil dito sa video na to. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. And see you in our next video.